welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name is Cathie and today I'm sharing with you a really fun back to school project that you can make for a teacher in your life or for your kids' teacher. Now this is using two items from the dollar store. One is this background apple shape, which I'm painting and sealing with Mod Podge, and the other one is this little pencil here that started out as a wood picket fence from a Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and turned it on its side and turned it into some fun pencils. This is a really easy beginner project. It would be a great gift for your teacher. Now on this one, I left the outside area blank because I'm going to have the kids sign their name around the outside and then they can hang this in the classroom for the year. All right, let's dive right into this project. To create the pencils, I'm using a picket fence from Dollar Tree, and I'm just turning it on the side and I am cutting away the back string. Now first I'm just going to paint the top little section the color of a pencil, and then I'm going to paint the back section or the bottom the color of an eraser. For that inside section, I'm using some school bus yellow to be my pencil color, and I'm just painting it sort of, I don't know, rough at the top. I don't want a real straight edge because I want to look like it's sharpened. Then you'll just fill in the whole pencil area with more of that yellow paint. I did about 3 coats there. And then of course we need a little black tip for our pencil, so I'm just adding a little black paint there. Now once the whole thing is dried, you're ready to add your letters. I use some die cut letters, but you could certainly use stickers here. You could stencil, you could use a Sharpie marker. Now for my letters, I'm going to attach them with Mod Podge satin, and I'm using a ruler just to find the center section there. I'm going to be putting some silver ribbon over the eraser part, so I measured where it would be in the middle of the actual pencil. Then I'm just using the Mod Podge to glue down my paper letters, and we are going to be top coating all of this. Once it's dry, you're ready for a top coat, and I'm just top coating with more of that same Mod Podge formula. You can use matte, gloss, or satin, whatever you prefer, and the top coat will seal those down, plus it will make it wipeable and cleanable for the classroom. Now for that pencil cap, I'm using some silver diamond ribbon. I just cut it to size, and I'm gluing it with Mod Podge as well. So you'll just add a coat of the Mod Podge down, place your ribbon down in there, and then go ahead and use Mod Podge around the edges to seal it down. Okay, for that background apple, I'm painting over the design that came with the Dollar Tree one because I wasn't a real fan of it. I used some Full Cart chalk there. Now I'm just using some Full Cart reds just to get a base coat down. I'm using 2 different reds, a little bit darker and then a little brighter apple color. And I'm smoothing out my brush strokes. And I'm going to do this one 2 times to get a really rich apple color. Next, I'm going to apply some green to the leaf area, and I'm using a couple of different shades of green because I want to get some highs and lows there. Now once my apple is dry, I'm ready to go in with some of my detail colors. I'm using those 2 reds again, plus a little hot pink and some yellow. And you can see I'm just picking up all the colors on my brush at the same time, and I'm doing a wet on wet technique, and that's just to give the apple some highs and lows like a natural apple. I'm doing the same technique on the leaf. I'm adding a little yellow and a couple of different shades of green. Now I'm sealing the whole thing with Mod Podge satin. That'll just give it a nice finish. Again, it'll be wipeable in the classroom. I think that's important. Now once that's dry, let's go ahead and hot glue our pencils down. I've got my ruler there just so I can line it up and make it easy for myself. And look how cute this sign turns out. Just 2 surfaces from the Dollar Tree. Really, really cute. Any teacher would love to get this. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this project, and I hope that all of you that are going back to school have a great year this year. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, keep crafty.